Hi, welcome to Real Impact Global Distributors Ordering System. This system is to be used by registered distributors to place RIG product orders. It is offered in 2 languages, English and Bahasa Malaysia. Your hand phones must have WhatsApp application for this ordering system to operate and send your orders. Each of your order will have a unique order reference number. This order system has 2 types of orders: self-collect type and courier delivery type. If we were to choose the self-collect type of order, then we need to provide the user name, collector's name and collector's hand phone number information. On the other hand, if we were to select courier delivery type of order, then we need to provide the user name, receiver's name, hand phone number, address, postcode, city, town, and state information. Now let's look at the products that are offered for purchase. Deep seawater concentrate, transdermal magnesium spray, classic package, gold package, platinum package, and platinum plus package. Here for each product you can select the quantity that you like to purchase. We have 3 controls here: exit, reset and submit. But the submit button will be only visible when at least one product is selected. The exit button will exit the ordering system. The reset button would reset the ordering system for a new order. The submit button would submit the order to WhatsApp application. In the WhatsApp applications, you need to send the message to confirm your order. There's also a customer service link provided here. You can speak to the customer service personnel through your hand phone. Just dial when required. The terms and conditions of this service are provided here for your reference. If we now wish to place an order, let's reset the form and select the products to order. Firstly, I choose the type of order to self-collect type. Then I key in the necessary information. I will then continue by selecting the products that I wish to order. Deep seawater concentrate 1 bottle. Transdermal magnesium 1 bottle. 1 classic package. 1 gold package. 1 platinum plus package. This brings the total amount payable to Real Impact Global to 4,590 ringgit, which I need to bank in, do online transfer or pay in cash. I need to take note of this banking details. Now I am ready to submit my order form. So when the submit button is clicked, the order would be taken to the WhatsApp application. To reconfirm the order, this WhatsApp message send button must be clicked. Once this is done, the order is confirmed to be sent to RIG. All the order details are available in the WhatsApp order message. Apart from that, there is a link at the end of the WhatsApp order message that gives access to the order details in the system. Please complete the necessary banking matters and submit the transaction copy to RIG via the WhatsApp number provided. Thank you for watching.